Hey travelers, it's Nick from Thrifty Travler, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer Bilt Rewards points to partner airlines and hotels. Now, if you're not familiar with Bilt, it's a loyalty program that was launched just a couple of years ago that allows renters to make their payment on a credit card without paying any additional fees whatsoever. And not only can you make your payment on a credit card, but you earn valuable points in the process. But earning points is only half the battle here. You need to know what to do with them. And there's no doubt that if you have Bilt Rewards points, transferring is the way to go. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so we are ready to start transferring our Bilt points. And so to get started here, you need to go to BiltRewards.com and you'll have to log into your Bilt account. Now, you do not need to have a Bilt credit card to have a Bilt account. It's free to join. And there are other ways to earn Bilt points outside of the credit card, which I'm not going to get into in this video. But just know that you don't need to have the Bilt card or even be a renter to be earning Bilt points. And so once you get to your Bilt account, you are going to click on the Rewards tab at the top. And once you're on the Rewards tab, you're going to see a few different options for your points, including Bilt's travel portal, travel packages, some of these other things. By far, the most value you're going to get for your points is by transferring them to partners. So that's what we're going to focus on and how to do this. And if you click on the transfer button at the top, you are going to get to a list of all of the Bilt transfer partners, and there's a tab for airlines and hotels. Arguably Bilt has the best stable of transfer partners. And I think what makes, Bilt maybe not as an attractive of an option is that they're harder to earn a lot of them, meaning Bilt points. It's hard to earn a meaningful amount. But if you can do that, there are some pretty incredible options, from Canada Aeroplan to Alaska, to Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, and then even on the hotel side, outside of Chase, they're the only Hyatt transfer partner. You can also transfer to Hilton, IHG, Accor, and Marriott, though the value there is definitely not as good as it is with Hyatt. So Bilt is a very valuable transfer partner. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to send some points to Alaska Airlines. Alaska is a very valuable award program, and as of 2024, they are also a Bilt transfer partner. So since I've transferred to my Alaska account from Bilt in the past, I already have my account number saved, so I do not need to enter that. And generally speaking, when you link an account to your Bilt Rewards account, you'll only have to do that once. So you'll need an account first. If you don't have one, you'll have to create one. And once you have that and you associate your frequent flyer number or your hotel rewards number, you should be good to go for future transfers. So in this video, I'm going to send 1,000 points from my Bilt account to my Alaska account. Everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and hit transfer points. So I'm going to say 1,000 Bilt points, which is the minimum. So you need to make a transfer of at least 1,000 points, but this is really important to remember. So since I'm a blue status member with Bilt, which is the lowest level of status, if you have an account, you have blue status, I have to transfer 2,000 points. If you are a silver or higher member, and this is earned through just Bilt's loyalty program, if you're a renter, if you spend on the credit card, you can earn more points toward status. But something to know is that you need to transfer at least 2,000 points to the partners if you're a blue member. Not a huge deal, but just something to be aware of. And then you do need to make transfers in increments of 1,000 points. So you can't transfer, 500 or 2,500. You do need to transfer in lots of 1,000. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to transfer 2,000 Bilt points to my Alaska Airlines account. I'm going to hit next. It's going to verify my account number, how many points it's going to deduct, all of those fun things. And I'm going to go ahead and say confirm transfer. All right, and once I click that confirm transfer button, it's going to ask me to verify my account. So I'm going to have them send me a quick text message. And once I've entered that in, I get a message that my transfer request has been received. Now, something to note with Bilt is that while the transfer partners are relatively instant, my experience has been that you might have to wait up to 10 minutes for the points to actually appear in your account. So if you don't see the points right away, don't panic. They're probably on the way. Chase and Amex and Capital One, they have pretty instant transferability. And you might even get that with some Bilt transfer partners, but my experience has been that you do have to wait 5 to 10 minutes before they actually do show up in your account. All right, so I've now logged into my Alaska Airlines account. It's been a couple of minutes. and I'm going to go to my account overview. When I'm in here, I'm going to be able to see any points activity that I have by clicking on mileage activity. And as you can see, there are the 2,000 points that I sent from my Bilt account to my Alaska account. So I have 2,000 more Alaska miles. So transferring points from Bilt is as easy as that. One thing to note, just like with all of the bank transfer currencies from Amex and Chase and Capital One, etc., once you send those points from Bilt into a hotel or airline account, you can't get them back into your Bilt account. So you got to make sure that when you are transferring, that is what you want to do. And because that these are relatively instant within 5 or 10 minutes, sometimes they are instant, there's really no reason to make a transfer before you're ready to book, unless there's a transfer bonus or some, one-off situation where that might make sense. Generally speaking, you want to wait to transfer until you are ready to book, you've confirmed the availability is there, and the only thing left to do is transfer your points. If you want more information about Bilt transfer partners, including transfer times and the best options for your points, check out the link in the description below. And if you want deals for flights and hotels bookable with your Bilt Rewards points, subscribe to Thrifty Traveler Premium. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Cheers to cheap flights.